Hey guys, this is day 7 of my 12 Days of Christmas Tutorials series. I will be posting one Christmas tutorial every Friday for 12 weeks. Today we will make a beginner 6-minute cinnamon stick ornament. 2 more cinnamon stick designs will be available next Friday. For additional Christmas themed patterns, you can find links to days 1 to 6 in the description along with written instructions for this tutorial. Let's get started. To create your ornament, you will need 8 feet of 3mm natural single-strand twisted cotton string, available in my Etsy shop if interested, a 3-inch cinnamon stick, I purchased mine at Bulk Barn, and thread or wire to hang your ornament. Cut 4 pieces of cord, each piece is 2 feet long. Attach all 4 pieces to your cinnamon stick using lark's head knots. Tie 2 square knots along the top of your work. Tie 1 alternating square knot with the 4 middle cords. Using the left cord as your filler cord, tie 3 double half hitch knots moving down and to the right. Using the right cord as your filler cord, tie 3 double half hitch knots moving down and to the left. Tie 1 more double half hitch knot with the 2 filler cords to connect the 2 sides. Repeat that row of double half hitch knots 1 more time. Cut the ends so they are approximately 2 inches long. Brush out your string and trim one final time for a clean cut. Add your thread or wire to hang it on the tree. I'm using clear thread. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial might be useful for others, please feel free to share it. If you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thanks so much.